Listen to the sound of the Australian ostrich emu. Listen to the sound of an Australian crocodile. Listen to what an Australian koala sounds like. Listen to the sound of an Australian dingo. Listen to the sound of the Australian one-humped camel. Listen to the mooing of the Australian buffalo. Listen to what the red fire ant sounds like. Listen to the sounds of an Australian echidna. Listen to the sound of an Australian kangaroo. Listen to the sound of an Australian cockatoo. Listen to the sound of the Australian giant lizard. Listen to the sound of the Australian flying fox. Listen to the sound of the Australian black snake. Listen to the sound of the Australian black swan. Listen to the sound of Australian butterflies. Donata monarch. Thanks for watching.